Hello there. In this video, I want to show how we can use Views plugin to display WooCommerce products in the sidebar widget from a specific category or um, a bunch of categories. On this web page, I have the products showing from a category called motors, and here products from all the categories will be displayed. So the requirement is that when we are on motors page, this page, I want to show only the parts that belong to, only the products that belong to parts category in the sidebar widget. So as you can see here, the widget that I'm currently using is the WooCommerce recent products, and it does not have any option to specify the category or categories. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Views plugin to create a new content template. So I go to views and then I go to content templates, and I'm going to create a new content template, and I'll call this recent product. Okay, so I'll just open that page in Firefox so we can inspect the elements and get the required HTML. Okay, so the first thing that we got to do, let me first inspect this. Okay, so we have a list item. All right. And within that list item, we have a hyperlink. Okay. So a href equal to something, and in that we have the image. Okay. So the hyperlink should be the URL, right, for the entry, and the image would be the featured image. So as you can see from the HTML here, we see shop underscore thumbnail as the name of the image handle. So I'm gonna say size equal to shop underscore thumbnail, and then within that a, next to that a, we have a span with a class of amount, and here it will show the price of the product. So I'm gonna put a dollar, and let's see if the price is here. No, it's not there. So let me just save this. And I'm going to views settings, and for the hidden custom fields I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to select price to be visible. Here, save it. So if I refresh this content template, the price shortcode should be available to me. Let me put my cursor there, do a search for price, there it is. Okay, so and I'm gonna set this to manual paragraphs because I don't want the WordPress to WordPress WP auto P function to kick in. So I'm gonna update this. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a new view by going to views. I'm gonna add new view and select display all results and give this recent parts. Okay, okay, so this view will display products, and I want to display 5 products. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now this is the most important part. I'm going to add a filter to get only the products that belong to parts category. So we'll say product categories as the criteria, as a filter. Add filter. So taxonomy is any of the following, all of the following, blah blah blah. Okay, I think any of the following is good enough, and I'm going to select parts. So now what we are asking it to do is to go to the products custom post type, and this is the ordering criteria, and get the 5 latest items that belong to only parts category, not nowhere else. Okay, so here I'm gonna come and click on layout wizard, select unformatted, click next, and add a field. Here I'm gonna select the content template that I've created earlier, which would be the recent product. Click on next. Replace existing layout, yes. Okay, so if we inspect the HTML, we can see that all the list items are enclosed in a unordered list having that class. So before the loop, I'm gonna put that in, and once the loop ends, I'm gonna close out that UL and I'll update. So now I'll go to the widgets, and I'm gonna add a WP views widget, and I'll give this the title of recent parts. Okay, the view does not appear here, so what I'll do is I'll just refresh this page. Okay, now it is, and save it. So if I go to this page, so I've got the price, but I don't have the, okay, I think we gotta edit the content template and fix something. Okay, so after the image we have to have the title of the product. So we have the image here, and here I will show the title. Update. So when I come here and refresh, yeah, there it is, it's working. Okay, so what I want to do is, when I'm on motors page, I want only this particular widget to appear, not this widget. So what I can do is, for the recent parts, I need to put an if conditional. So if I do a Google search for WordPress conditional tags or if conditionals, and I go to a taxonomy page, so here he has given the syntax. So I'll copy that and put it here like that. Okay, so this flavor, that would be the custom taxonomy's name. So if I go to this page and take a look here, you can see that product underscore cat is the name of the custom taxonomy, and this is the term. Okay, so the term here would be this one. So if I click on save, I'll go back here and refresh. Oop. Okay. Maybe I need to put this in if conditional. Okay, I figured out what was wrong. I forgot to put a closing single quote for the second parameter of is underscore tags function. So let me save that, go back here and refresh. Yeah, so now if I go to, let's say, another category, I should not see the second widget, the parts widget. Yep, so that's working fine. So I'm gonna go back to widgets and copy that, and for the recent products, I'm gonna say don't show this when I'm on the motors page. So if I go to this page and get the taxonomy term, that would be, yeah, it's the same thing, right? Okay. So if not this page, okay, then show the recent products. So save that, come here and refresh. There you go. So now when I'm on the motors page, it shows the products only from the parts category. But if I go to any other category, let's say I go to accessories, it's going to show me all the products. So we can really use this to actually set up multiple views and use multiple widgets and use the widget logic to show, for example, let's say I'm on accessories, okay, and I want only the Rodan gear products to show up. So I'll just create a view for the gear, and I'll use again widget logic similarly to do things like this. Okay, hope you found this helpful. Bye.